session. First of all, we will see what are the physical states of amine. Lower amines, usually they are gases. So what is the physical state of lower amines, students? Lower amines are gases. Amines contains 3 or more carbon atoms. Usually they are present in the form of liquids. While higher amines are solids. Now students, we will see the order of amine. Methyl amine and ethylamine, they have ammonical order. Methylamine or ethylamine, they have ammonical order. Now students, we will see what is the order of amines. Usually methylamine, that is CH3, NH2, methylamine, as well as ethylamine, C2H5, NH2. Methylamine and ethylamine, they have ammonical order. अमोनिया जैसी स्मेल होती है इनकी, ammonical order. Right friends? While higher amines, they have fishy smell. मछली की तरह की स्मेल होती है. Higher amines, they have fishy smell. Now students, we will see some other important properties of physical properties of amines. Now their boiling points. Amines are polar molecules. What are the nature of amines, students? Amines are polar molecules, and polarity of amine is due to the presence of nitrogen atom in amines. We know general formula for amine, that is RNH2. Right? They are polar molecules. Polar. Why they are polar, students? It is just because of the presence of nitrogen atom in amine. Nitrogen atom which is present in amine, it is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen atom. So nitrogen atom, since it is more electronegative, it has partial negative charge, while hydrogen has partial positive charge on it. Right students? Students, we will discuss boiling points of amines. Amines are polar molecules. If we write the general formula for amines, that is NHH. Lone pair of electron is present on nitrogen atom. Now, polarity of amine is due to the presence of nitrogen atom. We know nitrogen is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. यानी जो nitrogen है उसकी electronegativity hydrogen से ज़्यादा है. Electron pulling power of nitrogen is higher as compared to hydrogen. So there is a partial negative charge on nitrogen and partial positive charge on hydrogen atom. Right? Now due to this polarity of amine can form hydrogen bond with other amine molecules. यानी amines के दरमियान अगर हम different amine molecule के दरमियान अगर हम intermolecular force of attraction देखें, which intermolecular force of attraction hold the different amines molecules together, that is hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bonding is present in different amine molecules. Now students, we will see how hydrogen bonding is present in different amine molecules. अब हम देखते हैं कि amines के different molecules में hydrogen bonding किस तरह से होती है. We will see the example of, for example, here we take the aniline. We will write its structure, which is amine. Nitrogen has hydrogen here, and here we have hydrogen atom. One aniline molecule, nitrogen has lone pair of electron on it, and nitrogen, it is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. So there is a partial negative charge on this nitrogen, while both the hydrogen atoms, they have partial positive charge on them. This is one aniline molecule. Now if nearby we have another aniline molecule like this, if we have another aniline molecule like this, students, this nitrogen is connected with benzene ring. Here we have benzene molecule. Nitrogen has lone pair of electron on it. Of course, this nitrogen is more electronegative than hydrogen, has partial positive charge, while hydrogen has partial nitrogen has partial negative charge. I'm sorry, students. Nitrogen has partial negative charge on it, right? While hydrogen has partial positive charge on it. Nitrogen partial negative, while hydrogen partial positive. Now, students, we will see how hydrogen bonding is present in amine molecules. We know very well what is hydrogen bonding. It is a force of attraction in which hydrogen atom is weakly attracted by the more electronegative atom of neighboring molecule. यानी ये वो force of attraction होती है जिसमें एक molecule का hydrogen atom जो है उसको दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल का इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करता है, ठीक है। और वो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम क्या होना चाहिए? इट मे बी नाइट्रोजन या फिर ऑक्सीजन और फ्लोरीन, ठीक है ना। ये वाले एटम जो हैं, इफ़ दीज एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट देन दे कैन अट्रैक्ट द हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑफ नेबरिंग मॉलिक्यूल टुवर्ड्स देमसेल्फ। तो इस तरह की जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होती है, इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, दैट इज नोन एज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। हियर वी कैन नोटिस नाइट्रोजन इज प्रेजेंट, ठीक है। नाइट्रोजन ऑफ वन एनिलीन मॉलिक्यूल will weakly attract the hydrogen atom of second aniline molecule. So here we have the hydrogen bonding between two aniline molecules. So here what type of force of attraction is there, students? This is hydrogen bonding. This is hydrogen bonding. So in this way amine can form hydrogen bond with other amine molecules, right students? I hope this hydrogen bonding is clear to you, students. Now both primary and secondary amines दे फॉर्म इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। यानी प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी अमाइंस दोनों में इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कौन सी है? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। प्राइमरी अमाइन दैट इज NH2, ठीक है, और NHR दे आर प्राइमरी अमाइंस, ठीक है, दे आर प्राइमरी अमाइंस। सिमिलरली सेकेंडरी अमाइंस दैट इज NR2 दे आर सेकेंडरी अमाइंस, दीज आर सेकेंडरी अमाइंस। तो प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी अमाइंस के दरमियान जो इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन? दैट इज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, राइट स्टूडेंट्स। while in the tertiary amines do not form hydrogen bonding. tertiary amines क्या होते हैं? NR3 they do not form hydrogen bonding, do not form hydrogen bonding. What is the reason why they do not form hydrogen bonding, students? Since tertiary amine they do not have hydrogen atom which is directly attached with the nitrogen atom. यानी टर्शरी अमाइन में नाइट्रोजन एटम के साथ कोई हाइड्रोजन एटम मौजूद नहीं है जो कि डायरेक्ट अटैच हो सके। देयर इज नो hydrogen atom which is directly attached with the nitrogen of tertiary amine. Due to the absence of nitrogen, tertiary amines usually do not form hydrogen bonding. I hope this is clear, students. Now, so usually tertiary amines, their boiling points are similar to alkanes, right students? While primary and secondary amines usually they have higher boiling points as compared to alkanes. यानी alkanes के मुकाबले में इनके boiling points आमतौर पर ज़्यादा होते हैं। But if we compare the hydrogen bonding of amines with the hydrogen bonding of alcohols, then the hydrogen bonding of amines they are weaker as compared to the hydrogen bonding of alcohol. Alcohols have much stronger hydrogen bonding than amines. Alcohols hydrogen bonding is stronger. Hydrogen bonding is stronger, right students, than amines. Why? What is the reason, students? Now if we compare nitrogen and oxygen, which is more electronegative? Of course oxygen is more electronegative, right? So since oxygen is more electronegative as compared to nitrogen of amines, so that's why alcohols they have stronger hydrogen bonding as compared to amines. So amines, their boiling they have higher boiling points as compared to hydrocarbons, right students? But their boiling points are lower as compared to alcohols as well as carboxylic acids. Alcohols as well as carboxylic acids. carboxylic acids. Since here oxygen atom is present, which is more electronegative as compared to amines. So we can say amines, they have higher boiling points as compared to hydrocarbons, that is alkanes, but their boiling points are lower as compared to alcohols as well as carboxylic acids, which contain oxygen atom, which is more electronegative as compared to amines. I hope boiling points of amines are clear to you students. आसानी से वाटर के अंदर डिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं, ठीक है. तो अमाइंस दे हैव एबिलिटी टू फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स विद वाटर. लेट्स सी हाउ दे कैन फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड विद वाटर. वाटर के साथ ये किस तरह से हाइड्रोजन बनाते हैं. राइट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अमाइन. वी हैव आर एन एच एच. This is the nitrogen which has lone pair of electron on it. Nitrogen of amine as well as more electronegative has partial negative charge. Hydrogen has partial positive charge. Both the hydrogen atoms of amines, they have partial positive charge. Now how hydrogen bonding is formed between amine and water molecules students. हमें मालूम है water has bent structure or V-shaped structure. Water is also a polar molecule. Oxygen atoms of water, they have lone pair of electron on it. Oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, so oxygen has partial negative charge. Both the hydrogen atoms, they have partial positive charge on them. Right students? Now we will see how hydrogen bonding is formed between amine as well as water molecule. Now here if you can notice the students, this is oxygen atom of water. A force of attraction is established between oxygen as well as hydrogen atom of amine. यानी वाटर का जो ऑक्सीजन है वो अमाइन के हाइड्रोजन एटम के साथ एक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन जनरेट कर लेता है और इस फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को हम क्या कहते हैं. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, ठीक है ना. नाउ ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग अमाइंस आर यूजुअली सोलेबल इन वाटर. आमतौर पर जो स्मॉलर अमाइंस हैं ये वाटर में बड़ी आसानी से डिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं. दे आर फेयरली सोलेबल इन वाटर, ठीक है स्टूडेंट. बट the solubility of amine decreases with increase in the size of alkyl group. यानी ये alkyl group जो है जो amine के साथ अटैच है, जैसे जैसे ये alkyl group बड़ा होता जाता है, it contain number of carbon atoms are greater in alkyl group. alkyl group के अंदर जैसे जैसे carbon atoms बढ़ते जाते हैं, then solubility of amines decreases with increase in the size of alkyl group. ठीक है. इसकी रीज़न क्या है. वी नो वेरी वेल अल्काइल ग्रुप इट इज़ द हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट. हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट. व्हाट इज अल्काइल ग्रुप स्टूडेंट्स. अल्काइल ग्रुप इज द हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट. हाइड्रोफोबिक. हाइड्रोफोबिक, ठीक है. हाइड्रोफोबिक मीन्स वाटर रिपेलेंट. इट इज़ द हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट, राइट. यानी अगर हम देखें अल्काइल अमाइन्स तो अमाइनो ग्रुप इज हाइड्रोफिलिक. हाइड्रोफिलिक मीन्स अमाइनो ग्रुप हैज अट्रैक्शन फॉर वाटर, while alkyl group is hydrophobic, that is water repellent, has no attraction for water. तो जैसे जैसे अल्काइल ग्रुप बड़ा होता जाएगा कार्बन एटम बढ़ने की वजह से, ठीक है, इट हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट बिकम्स डोमिनेंट. हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट बड़ा होता गया, ठीक है. दैट्स वाई देयर सॉल्युबिलिटी इन वाटर स्टार्ट्स डिक्रीजिंग. वाटर में इनकी सॉल्युबिलिटी डिक्रीज होती जाएगी. यही वजह है कि हायर अमाइंस यूजली दे आर इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर. हायर अमाइंस, higher amines, they are insoluble. insoluble in water, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. ये वाटर इंसॉल्युबल क्यों होते हैं. क्योंकि इनके अंदर हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट अल्काइल ग्रुप जो है उसका साइज बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ वी कंपेयर द solubility of amines in water as compared to alcohols as well as ether, ठीक है, then amines are more soluble in water. What is our conclusion? Amines are more soluble in water. That is, we have amines NH2, right? They are more soluble in water than as compared to alcohols as well as ether. Alcohol and ether, they are less soluble in water. If we compare the solubility of amines in water as compared to alcohols and ether, then amines are more soluble in water, while alcohols and ethers, they are less soluble in water. Right, students? Now, what is the reason behind why amines are more soluble in water? It is because of increased basicity of amine due to increased basicity of amine. Due to increased basicity, amines are more soluble in water as compared to solubility of alcohol as well as ether. I hope solubility of amines, it is clear to you, students.